What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to lock any app in your iOS device easily without jailbreak. This method will allow you to lock any app you want with a password. This method is easy and simple, and I will show you how to do it step by step. The first thing you will do here is download the Shortcuts app from the App Store. You must download this app. After downloading the app, open it. As you see, this is the app. Now click on the plus button at the top right here. Now here click on the search bar. Now here search for Ask for Input. As you see, this is it. Now here select Ask for Input. Now go back to the search again and search for If. Now select it. Now go back to the search again. Here search for Open App. As you see, this is the action we want. Just select it. Now here we will arrange these actions. Just press and hold on Open App Scripting and drag it to here below the If Scripting. Make sure guys to put the Open App Scripting below the If Scripting and above the otherwise. Just make sure you arrange it like this. Now go to the first action or the first scripting and click on the text and change the text to number. Now here in the prompt type password ? Here guys, don't forget to put a question mark after the password. Now press done. Alright, now in the second scripting, change the condition to is. Here in the number, type any number you want. This number that you will type will be the password that you will type when you open the app. You can type any password you want. I will type 1111. Now press done. Now the last thing you will do here is choose the app you want to lock. Here in the Open App Scripting, click Choose. Here choose the app you want to lock with a password. I will choose the Photos app. Alright guys, now make sure that the scripting order is like this. Click on the three dots button here. Here type the name of the app. I chose the Photos app, so I will type Photos. Alright, now click on Add to Home Screen. Here choose the icon of the app that you want. You can use any icon you want. I chose the Photos app, so I will choose the Photos icon. To find any icon, just go to Safari. Here in the search, type the name of the app, then add the word icon. As you see, you will find many beautiful photos that you can use any of them. Just select it and save the icon to your device. Now go back to the Shortcuts app. Here click Choose Photo. Now choose the photo you want. I will choose the Photos icon. Alright, now click on Add. As you see, add it to home screen. Now after completing these steps, go to the home screen and you will find a new icon which you added. As you see, this is the Photos app that you locked with a password. Now I will open the Photos app. As you see, it will ask me to enter the password. I will type a wrong password. As you see, the app has not been opened. Now I will type the correct password, and as you see, the Photos app has been opened. This is how to lock any app with a password. The method is very simple and easy, and it's only take 1 minute. You can lock any app in your iOS device with the same steps. Alright guys, if you want to get this beautiful widget that I created, you can watch this video to know how to do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.